Oh, it's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, so we're going to make this our first official YouTube video, Carly and I. And we've got our fancy special mics on and all that stuff. We started this adventure by, number one, knowing that we needed a generator, right?
Yeah.
So what did we do?
We sold an outboard so we could buy a generator.
We didn't only sell an outboard. We had to fix the outboard so it would run right, because we can't sell junk, right? So we kind of sold it, and then the guy wanted it, and then we had to hurry up and get it fixed, running it properly.
We wanted it, but
Yeah, it was actually running so good. We were like, man, how can we use this? But the guy really wanted it. He was excited for it. He needed it. And so we made it happen for him.
Yeah.
And so we delivered the outboard. Heck, we gave him 1.5 gallons of gas, I think, for free. The fuel tank, the fuel line, jack plate, and a Tohatsu 9.8 horsepower, extra long shaft. So that's kind of why we couldn't use it.
And it was clean.
Oh, it was clean. We detailed it. We polished it. You know, we really made it. We really made it something to have. So, so we delivered it to him. I think we were excited for him more than he was excited to actually buy it. And then he zelled us the money. So the money was already in the account, and it was burning a hole in our pocket. And so we went on Amazon, and we ordered the generator. And we did a bunch of research and which generator to buy. It came down to obviously the Honda or the Yamaha 2200. And we decided on the Yamaha because it has a larger fuel tank, which equals a longer run time. So that was exciting. And we ordered it. It wasn't even supposed to be here until the 23rd, and here we are.
What's today?
I think it's
17th?
No,
it's the 18th today.
18th?
Yeah.
And so we did that. That was awesome. And it came in the mail today. We got it, and here's the video.
Are you taking a photo or?
What is it, Carly?
A Yamaha.
Huh?
That's pretty big. Directions.
Here, let me help you. Let me help you. Okay. Here, you grab one side.
Hold on.
Ready?
Yeah. Why is it so easy with two people?
Okay. She's beautiful. Is there gas in it?
Or not.
Huh?
It's gonna be heavier with gas. Oh, is it the pump?
No, that's where you change the spark plug.
Oh.
Wow. So they really never ran any gas in it. It smells like brand new plastic. What do you got, buttons?
This isn't tight.
Are you excited?
Yeah, let's start it up right now.
We got to put oil in it. And gas.
Come on, keep going. I'll tell you when to slow down. Slow down. Keep going. It says the filter at fill line. You see it? You blowing the filter? Slow down. Keep going. Hey. like a man with prostate cancer. It should be on your shoulder, and you just.
All right, whoa. Okay.
Did you fill it to the filter line?
No.
Oh my gosh, this whole thing's gonna blow up now. We have to run it without the cap on now, so it can breathe.
Okay, vent on.
Brother, it said wipe immediately.
Immediate.
Immediately.
All right. We're way better now.
What's that? It's gonna cause damage.
Okay. Okay, so the pull start is like this. Camera is going, right, babe? Okay, cars. So what you're
Okay.
going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to flip this to on. You're going to turn this to run. You're going to pull this, fire it up. 5 seconds.
I'm gonna have to get on the table to
5 seconds.
do this.
Choke off. Okay?
Okay.
Off. Off. This is so exciting. This is fun. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
You don't need to do all that, but you didn't even need to get up there.
Well, how am I supposed to pull it?
You don't. Is there a run time on it that you're supposed to like run it for 5 minutes before you plug it in?
I didn't read anything like that.
Hey, look, Lindsay. Oh, you smell that new? Oh man.
Maybe that is your indicator.
What?
Maybe, did you do something?
Okay. Let's go and plug it into the trailer and see if that AC comes on.
Okay.
Ready?
You pull it, I'll catch it.
Ready?
Okay. Ay. Ay. I'm walking too fast.
So we really wanted it. It's rather large in here. And we wanted to make sure that that it'd run the floor heater. But it doesn't like the roof AC. It doesn't. Which is kind of interesting because the guy that ran it on YouTube ran the AC and a floor heater on low.
Yeah.
Now, it should be out there is kicking butt.
Look at Bailey.
So now we're just letting it run because it's burning off all the kind of the new smells of it. All right, Carly. What do you think?
Junk. Just kidding.
Junk?
Well, it didn't run the AC.
Wow.
Junk.
All right, so we don't think it's junk. She was being funny, and it didn't run the roof AC, and I don't really know why, because the video that I watched on it, a guy totally ran a air conditioning system in his RV and like a radiator type floor heater on low and medium at the same time. So I don't know really what that's all about, but it's okay because we're going to use the generator on our boat, and it's going to be simply to charge the batteries back up, while we're out at sea. So there's a lot of videos on the reviews of these generators. So I'm not sure how I'm going to title this video because it's not like really...
It's not sponsored, too.
Well, yeah, we definitely paid for it with our own money. But give like a review of the generator itself, so much as like just showing more or less the fun, the unboxing, and stuff like that. So we suck at making videos.
Yeah, if you think this video was bad, then you have to like and you have to subscribe and you have to hit the notification bell.
Sounds like you watch way too many YouTube videos.
Or a spider will crawl on you at night. Ooh.
That's not weird at all.